Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Singing Assembly. My name's Laura and today we're going to learn a couple of songs that you can learn in the classroom or at home and then take them outside because we're going to learn a couple of playground game songs. We're going to start with a little African chant to warm us up. It's called a call and response. So what that means is I sing one thing and you have to sing something back to me. So the word we need for this call and response is holeo. So can you say that with me? Ready? Holeo. And what's going to happen to start with is you copy exactly what I sing. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Me first. Ready? Holeo, 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 ole, holala, holeo, ole, holala. Well done. That's the first section. Now, it changes here because what you're going to sing isn't an echo anymore. It's a response. Okay? So I'm going to sing hola and you're going to sing holala. Let's practice. Ready? Hola, holala, hola, holala, hola, holala, hola, holala. Brilliant. Let's run the whole song. Ready? Me first. Holeo, 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 ole, holala, holeo, ole, holala, hola, holala, hola, holala, hola. Holala, hola, holala. Fantastic. That's a song you can use. Maybe you could try being the leader. Be really brave and be the leader of your class and have a go at being in charge of that song and that call and response. Well done, everybody. Brilliant work. Our first playground game that we're going to learn is a song called Love Somebody. And basically, all we have to do, the aim of this game, is to keep the beat as a group. Okay? So the song goes like this. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, you know who. Love somebody, can you guess? You're the one I love the best. So let's learn that. Me first, and then you. The words are on the screen to help you. Ready? Me first. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, you know who. Love somebody, you know who. Love somebody, can you guess? Love somebody, can you guess? You're the one I love the best. You're the one I love the best. Excellent. Let's sing it all together. Ready? Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, you know who. Love somebody, can you guess? You're the one I love the best. Now, if you notice, as I was singing there, I was clicking. So now let's clap in time with the beat. Nice and gently, just in the palm of your hand. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, you know who. Love somebody, can you guess? You're the one I love the best. Excellent. Now to play the game, all you do is you stand in a big circle and you choose somebody to be in the middle of the circle. Everybody in the circle has their hands out, palms up like that. The person in the middle, it's your job to move round the circle, keep the beat as you go, and you tap everybody's hands as you go past, okay? And you tap in time to the beat. So the person on the inside of the circle would be going, love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, you know who. Love somebody, can you guess? You're the one I love the best. And the idea is that you could put 2 people in the middle and try and keep the beat going so you get more people in the middle and keeping that beat working together to keep the song moving. The next playground game I'm going to teach you is a song called John Kanaka. So what you do is you stand with a partner. You need a partner for this game, okay? And you have a little rhythm that we use over the name that we're about to sing. So the name is John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Try that. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. And again, John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. So basically, when you sing the Tuli A, you do a clap, Tuli, and then with your partner, you tap hands, A. Tuli A. So let's say John's name and put that pattern in. Ready? 3, 4. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Fantastic. Now the next thing to do is when you sing Kanaka Naka, you tap that rhythm on your knees. Kanaka Naka. Kanaka Naka. So now your pattern goes like this. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. 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 Okay? The last thing to do is on the name John, you stamp your foot. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Brilliant. So all I need you to do for the minute is respond with that name. Okay, ready? So me first. I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Brilliant, well done. Now we repeat the Tuli A. When we get to that point, we go Tuli A, Tuli A. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Okay, ready? Let's try it again. I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Tuli A, Tuli A. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Fantastic work, everybody. So now we've got our pattern. What we do is, with your partners, we need to make 2 circles. We make an inner circle, so a circle facing outwards, and an outer circle. And what you do is you start facing your partner and you go through the song. And when you've sung the last, John Kanaka Naka Tuli A, the caller or your teacher can say step to the right and start again. So what happens is, if your partner's like this, one of you has to step that way to go to the right, but one of you steps this way. So you end up with a new partner and you get 2 circles that are moving in opposite directions. And eventually you'll meet your partner again. So let's sing it once more, just to make sure we've got that song in our heads. And then maybe you could take that one outside with your class and have a go. Ready? I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Tuli A, Tuli A. John Kanaka Naka Tuli A. Step to the right and start again. And you're off. Have a great time with that one, everybody. The final song that I'd like to teach you today involves us standing in 2 straight lines so we create an alley, okay? And it's all about having a little bit of fun and just expressing yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to stand in 2 lines, and we basically go from one line, the person at the closest end walks down the alley and joins their line. And then we swap, and the person on the other side walks down the alley and joins their line. And they walk down to the accompaniment of this song. Here comes Sally walking down the alley. Here comes Sally, just like this. So that's the first person. Then, here comes another one, just like the other one. Here comes another one, just like this. Okay? So then you've moved to the bottom of the line. You can move down the alley however you like. You could just walk, you could do a little dance, whatever you want. It's entirely up to you. Okay? But here we go. Let's learn that section. So me first. Here comes Sally walking down the alley. Here comes Sally, just like this. Now you. Here comes Sally walking down the alley. Here comes Sally, just like this. Now me. Here comes another one, just like the other one. Here comes another one, just like this. You. Here comes another one, just like the other one. Here comes another one, just like this. Brilliant. So you can practice moving down the alley. And the alley, slowly but surely, you'll move down the space as well. The next little section goes like this. Well, I looked down the alley, and what did I see? A great tall man from Tennessee. Let's try that. Ready? Well, I looked down the alley, and what did I see? A great tall man from Tennessee. Then we say, well, I bet you $5 I can whoop that man. I bet you $5 I can whoop that man. Let's sing that line. Ready? I bet you $5 I can whoop that man. I bet you $5 I can whoop that man. Then we go back to the beginning. Here comes Sally walking down the alley. Here comes Sally, just like this. Here comes another one, just like the other one. Here comes another one, just like this. Well, I looked down the alley, and what did I see? A great tall man from Tennessee. Well, I bet you $5 I can whoop that man. I bet you $5 I can whoop that man. And that's it. 3 songs that you can learn indoors, you can have fun singing, and then you can take them outside and have a really good sing. Enjoy playing those games. If you happen to do any outside, do send us some videos. We'd love to see you playing those games and singing those songs. I will see you next week with a brand new singing assembly. Take care, everyone. Bye.